Clogged and smelly drains and sewer lines can be a nightmare, so Pipe Wrench is offering a $99 drain clearing special that includes a free camera inspection. And if we can't open your drain, the visit is free. Call us or book your appointment online at pipewrench.com. And as always, same-day service guaranteed or the visit is free.
Good morning. Happy Friday. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update. It's 6 a.m., February 21st, 2025. It's nice that the weekend's right around the corner. After this cold Arctic air moves on out, we're going to see improving weather conditions. And talk about cold Arctic air, yesterday's highs were only in the teens, 20s, and 30s. Or actually 20s and 30s. We had single digits, teens, and 20s for morning lows. So it was incredibly cold. And that's the story here this morning as well, as a big old trough of Arctic air continues to hang out with us here at this hour. So remember, the National Weather Service has a cold weather advisory in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. And so that's going to continue as those morning observations have been in the single digits and teens, but wind chill values have been sub-zero, 2 below zero, as of 5 o'clock in the morning across parts of Cumberland County. So do travel safely here and have a great day. Remember, we are going to see some patchy ice developing. Any standing snow or water is going to be in the form of ice. We are trending colder than what we were yesterday. And I do want to talk about the drought for just a second because we saw incredible amounts of rain, and this was beneficial. And if you were with me, I actually said, I think we're going to still have a drought, but it's going to be drought-busting rain. So we went from the extreme drought in these locations down to a severe drought. So believe it or not, my friends, after all that rain, yes, we are technically still in a drought. Hey, by the way, lunchtime temperatures are going to climb into the 20s and 30s. Afternoon highs are going to be in the upper 30s, so we're going to be a little bit warmer than what we were yesterday. And if you have evening plans, grab the jackets. You'll need those this evening. 34 by 6, plenty of sunshine, a nice sunset tonight, and we'll dip down to 28 degrees by 8 o'clock tonight. When we talk about our next cold maker, our next rain maker, our precipitation maker, we're going to stay rain-free all the way through, say, Tuesday, Wednesday. But as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, we've got another system on the way. Actually, a big old trough of low pressure digs back into the area. So yes, while we do warm this week, which of course I'll show you on the 7-day forecast, the temperatures are going to drop by the end of the week. There's a disturbance on the way. So watch this. We now have the colder air that's possibly going to be in place by Thursday. So let's pick up our future cast on Wednesday. This is accumulated snow and rain. So light rain to light snow is expected across much of the region as this little system swings its way into the area. So there's our light rain showers. That's by Thursday morning. But then temperatures likely will drop. Now, of course, it's only Friday, so we're talking a week away. This will gradually this will change. But there is some confidence increasing that we may see some snow showers. So rain showers initially, and then some light snow showers across the classic horseshoe. We call it the horseshoe because it looks like a horseshoe of East Tennessee. So the higher elevations of the Cumberland Plateau, the mountains, southeastern Kentucky, and southwest Virginia. So we'll keep you up to date and see how this all plays out. In the meantime, enjoy the warming trend. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. No, we are not looking at morning snow to be developing across the area. Forgot to take that graphic off. But the point of the story is we have a nice little warming trend. Average high is 54. We're going to be trending nearly 10 degrees above average as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. Our next storm system arrives on Thursday, bringing us a chance for some light rain showers and maybe some mountain snow showers. When you look ahead, the Climate Prediction Center is predicting average temperatures all the way through the end of the month and the start of March and average precipitation. So we're not talking about anything major, but above and beyond the 7-day forecast, we are talking about the possibility of that little trough digging its way on into the area, elevated precipitation chances, and as I just mentioned, we do have a chance for some snow. I think above and beyond the 7-day forecast, we're going to continue to see disturbances swing out of the north. So that's going to produce light rain and the possibility of some light mountain snow showers as we get a little bit of cold snaps swinging their way on through. So we're not totally done with Old Man Winter around East Tennessee. Do we see what we saw over the last couple of days? Probably not. At least as it stands right now, probably going to be the higher elevation. So, of course, I'll keep you posted on that. You can always stay on top of the latest weather forecast with the East Tennessee Weather app or online at easttnweather.com. Have a great Friday and enjoy your weekend. Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day part, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it.